Why don't you give me a sign? Like the sea that leaves a trail along that shore. It's not your problem, it's mine. Everybody thinks that I'm okay. Sometimes I think I am too. I'm on the outside looking in. I'm waiting for the shockwaves to begin. Oh, won't you let me hold you for one time? Just a rainy day in a London cafe, a London cafe. So give me one last serenade. Say to me, or swear at me till the night turns into day. And it was a shame when daylight faded, because we didn't notice at all.
You've moved mountains to get this film finished. Get home and stay safe, and thank you so much from all of us.
He was talking about the airlines, because they're canceling these flights left, right, and center.
Good evening, I'm Isabelle Faye, and I'm here with Fan Carpet at the Everyman Cinema for the premiere of A Bird Flew In. Enjoy. It's really lovely to meet you. What was your inspiration to create this film?
My experience itself through lockdown. I was basically reduced to sitting on Zooms for meetings, and basically thought, what on earth are all these other people going through whilst they're sat in lockdown themselves? So I started to create characters on a piece of paper, and they eventually became the film through the wonderful writing of Dominic Wells.
What would you want people to take away from this film?
Remembering our time that we spent. You know, it's all very well as, you know, talking about the new normal, getting on with our lives in a very, very positive fashion, but it's always good to reflect, and hopefully the people who are watching this can recognise a bit of themselves in any of the characters. There's 12 to choose from, and maybe actually think, you know what, we did really well coming out of all of that as a nation and as a world coming out of it. I don't know. I know what people have said to me when they've come out of it. There's a quiet moment of reflection when the film ends, and then they start talking about their own experiences, which, to be honest with you, it's like a grieving process, isn't it, that we should all go through.
Out of the 12 characters, which would you feel like you can relate the most to?
Naomi, because I play her in the film. She's a producer. Normally I'm the producer in a film. So absolutely, I run most days, she runs. I draw birds, she draws birds. I'm not her, and that isn't my relationship, you know, she's made up, but she's the one I can relate to most, in the sense that she's a producer. She starts the film and she ends the film, and that's what a producer does.
What were your favourite experiences during filming or editing?
Yeah, no, there are so many. We were the first drama to be filmed coming out of lockdown, reported in the Times, and we inherited some of the Batman crew because their film was stopped, and everybody was so pleased just to be back to work. So there was this energy and this, we can do it, and you know, from everybody, from the runners up to myself and the producer, everybody was just like, come on, everybody was excited every single day. Then we went to see Sir Derek Jacobi in France to film his bit because he was self-isolating there. That was an adventure in itself. And then John Smith, our editor, he had to edit remotely for a lot of the time with me. So we formed a very strange, like, odd bond that you wouldn't normally with your editor, and it was like, we're going to get this finished, this film's going to get finished, a bit like how the film starts off, I suppose. It's like the film within the film within the film.
What 3 words would you use to sum up this film?
Emotional, soul-searching, and the third one, emotional and hopeful.
Are there any projects that you're going to work on now? And tell us a little.
I've got several in the pipeline, both as producer and director. they're all on our Goldfinch website, but I would be very honoured to direct another film.
Thank you for joining us here at Fan Carpet. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Are we really alive at all?
One of the things we do know is that our lives will never be the same.
I'm here on the largest of the Balearic Islands, Mallorca, with the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea, beautiful mountainous landscape, the thriving city of Palma, quaint little market towns, a growing number of luxury hotels. It's no surprise that the likes of Audrey Hepburn and Elizabeth Taylor like to holiday here. So come and join me as I take you round Mallorca.
Thank you for watching the Fan Carpet. If you like this video, be sure to click that thumbs up button at the bottom of your screen. And also be sure to subscribe to the Fan Carpet YouTube channels. They're absolutely free and so much fun too. Be sure to check out the official website, thefancarpet.com. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay up to date with reviews, competitions, the latest news, and so much more.